Here's how you can turn your Google Sheets into a website. If you want to convert one of your Google Sheets into a whole website, this is how you can do it by using an AI. The AI tool you're going to use for this is going to be Spread Simple. Just search for spreadsimple.com on your Google browser, or it can be any browser that you're using, and click on the first link. Once you're on the main website, you'll need to log in or sign up. Click on Try for free. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed in order to buy one of their paid versions. You can buy these paid versions in order to get some more extra details and features for your website. If you don't want to buy it, just scroll down and you can sign up on their free version. Just connect your Google account with it and you'll be directed to the main Spread Simple website. Here, in order to create a website, you can use one of their templates. You can use an AI creator for it, or of course you can create a whole website from your Google Sheet. Click on that. Here you need to paste your Google Sheet link. Just copy the link of the Google Sheet you want to turn into a website and paste it here. Click on Continue. Now just wait and see the magic. Once the loading process is done, you would be given a whole website made on your Google Sheets. By using Spread Simple, you can easily convert any of your Google Sheets into whole websites that you can share. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.